let's be honest. I'm not exactly up to date with technology. I'm not exactly on the cutting edge of technology, and I'm rarely one of the first people to get something. I usually do so much research that the thing is past its prime and probably not even useful by the time I decide to get it. But today is different. Why? Because this came in the mail. What is this? Stick around and you'll find out. What's going on, everybody? My name is Bobby with the Everyday Family, and today is a very exciting day. The Apple Card. Now, you can have the card in your Apple Wallet, so you don't actually need the card, but the cool factor, which, let's be honest, we're all after, is being able to show this off and actually have it in your hand. Not every place is going to take that Apple Pay, but they will take a Goldman Sachs-backed credit card with a terrible interest rate, zero benefits, but it looks cool, it's Apple, and everybody's gonna want it, and I got one. So how about we turn this camera around, show you what we got, open it up together. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen any of these yet. I've actually purposely avoided watching any of these videos, and I actually want to find out with you together. We'll open this up and we'll check out what it's like to open up a Apple Card, the hard version of it. So let's flip the camera around and check it out. Okay, here we go. Let's do this together. First of all, brown packaging. Got some perforation here to rip it open. Everything's sealed nice and tight. No markings on the packaging. This came in a FedEx envelope. Very indiscreet, or very discreet. And can't even tell what this is. If I didn't know what it was, and the fact that I got a message from Apple saying it was on its way, and a message from Apple saying it was coming today, and then a message from Apple saying it had been delivered, I wouldn't know to have expected this, but they are definitely on point with letting you know that you've got something special coming, and they want to make sure that you're very excited about it. So I certainly am. Let's go ahead and grab the first perforation here. We will rip it open. Very, very solid packaging. Inside, oh, looky there. We got an Apple. We've got an Apple. It is confirmed this is an Apple product. All right. I think I've drawn this out just about as long as I can. Again, very nice container. Typical Apple. Not any markings. Nothing to really make it stand out other than the cleanliness and the clean lines, the white, and a nice little indented Apple logo there. So very good stuff. On the back, we've got some Apple address in Cupertino. Other than that, there is nothing else that is distinguishing about the packaging. So very nice. All right, next step. Looky there. That is some prettiness. So we've got a colored, not changing color, but a very vibrant color packaging on the inside. The card itself with its chip, no markings on the card, just an Apple logo, and pretty cool so far. It is, as you would expect, simple but elegant. This is, of course, a hard card. If you I'd love to call it a titanium card, but I don't think it's titanium, obviously. But the cool thing about it is I can show you the whole card because there are no distinguishing marks, there are no identifications on it, there is no card number. Obviously the magnetic strip here, the identification as a MasterCard right here, Goldman Sachs marked here. This is all etched into the card. And that's it. That is the card. There is nothing else to it. It is a very, very elegant and simple card. So the next thing to do will be activate it, and we will have a hard card to keep with us, even though we've already got it in the wallet. But yeah, so that is the Apple Card. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you soon. This is Bobby Arnett with the Everyday Family. Have a good day. See ya.